Organizational development, OD, and organizational culture are closely connected fields that focus on improving the effectiveness of an organization while fostering a positive work environment. Let's break down each concept. 1. Organizational development, OD. OD is a systematic approach to improving organizational performance and individual development through planned interventions. It aims to increase an organization's capacity to handle internal and external changes and achieve its strategic goals. Key components of OD. 1. Diagnosis, understanding the current organizational climate, processes, and issues. 2. Intervention, implementing planned strategies, such as training, team-building exercises, and process improvements. 3. Evaluation, assessing the impact of the interventions on organizational effectiveness. 4. Change management, managing resistance to change and ensuring the organization adopts new processes, structures, and behaviors. Popular OD models. 1. Lewin's change model, unfreeze, change, refreeze, focuses on preparing the organization for change, implementing the change, and solidifying the new state. 2. Kotter's 8-step change model, emphasizes creating urgency, building a guiding coalition, and reinforcing change. 3. ADKAR model, awareness, desire, knowledge, ability, reinforcement, used for managing individual and organizational change effectively. 2. Organizational culture. Organizational culture refers to the shared values, beliefs, and behaviors that shape how employees interact, make decisions, and view their work within an organization. It is often described as the personality of the organization. Key elements of organizational culture. 1. Values and beliefs, core principles that guide decision-making, e.g., integrity, customer focus. 2. Norms and practices, shared expectations and behaviors, e.g., teamwork, innovation. 3. Symbols and language, logos, rituals, and specific jargon that convey meaning. 4. Stories and myths, narratives about the company's history and successes that shape its identity. Types of organizational culture, based on competing values framework. 1. Clan culture, family-like, focused on collaboration and employee involvement. 2. Adhocracy culture, dynamic, innovative, and focused on risk-taking. 3. Market culture, results-oriented, focused on competition and achieving targets. 4. Hierarchy culture, structured, with a focus on stability, efficiency, and control. Connection between OD and organizational culture. 1. Alignment. OD initiatives often need to be aligned with the organizational culture to be effective. 1. For example, implementing a flat structure in a company with a strong hierarchical culture can face resistance. 2. Culture change. OD projects may include efforts to shift the organizational culture, especially if the current culture is a barrier to strategic goals or change. 3. Sustainability. Changes implemented through OD interventions are more likely to be sustained if they are embedded into the culture. Best practices for integrating OD and organizational culture. 1. Assess the current state. Use surveys, interviews, and cultural audits to understand the current culture and development needs. 2. Engage leadership. Leaders set the tone for culture and are key in driving organizational change. 3. Communicate clearly. Ensure transparent and consistent communication about the purpose and benefits of OD initiatives. 4. Encourage employee participation. Involve employees at all levels to gain buy-in and foster a sense of ownership. 5. Measure and adjust. Continuously evaluate the impact of interventions and be willing to adjust the strategy.